Now the very important thing is about the preposition is the words that we use like this: in, on, at. So I'll be telling you the difference between these words, how to use these words with the time, with the place also. So but first we will be using these three words, the most confusing words which everyone mostly makes a mistake to use these three words. We'll be using firstly with the reference of time. Let's start. In. I'll be telling you three differences like general, specific time and the very specific time. Okay. In we use with the months, generally any month, generally any year, and for the longer periods like in February. No date is specified. In February. In summers. In winters. In 2000. Back in the past. So with this, when the general thing is given, no time is defined, we will be using in. What we will be using? In. For the general time. But on, we will be using on for the days and dates. Be very careful if date or specific date or specific occasion is given. So please use on. On my birthday. We won't be using in my birthday or at my birthday. It will be wrong. It will be similar. I know it's similar more to in listening, but be careful in using. Just go through this rule and just keep it in your mind that we will be using on with the days and the dates. Like on my birthday, on Christmas, on 20th June, on Thursday, on Monday. Means specific day and date is given to me. Month comes here, date or day comes here. Got it? So this is specific, this was general. Now what's for at? At is very specific. Precise time. At 5:30. At 5 o'clock. At midnight. At evening. Means my meeting is at evening. I'll be having my lunch at noon. So at represents the precise time. Precise time means very specific time. Not 1 minute less or not 1 minute more. At 6:30, my school gets over at 1:30 p.m. or a.m. I come home from office to my home at 6 in the evening. So at 6. Okay, we are not saying on 6. We are not saying in 6. Because when we have the specific time given to us, we'll be using at. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you prepositions of place using these words itself. Before that, just note down this. Position of place. In position of place, where to use in, on and at. Like in is used for the bigger place plus enclosed area. Means that area is enclosed. Like in the room, in the classroom, in a building, in a car, in a taxi. That area is enclosed, isn't it? In Mumbai, in Delhi. Bigger place or the enclosed area, enclosed place. And on is used for the surface. As I've already told you, On is used for the surface, like on the floor, on the wall, on the board, on the third floor, on the roof, means the surface. And at is used for a point, like at the school, at the mall, at the market, at the entrance, at home, at the doorstep. So at is used for a point of place, means the specific place is given to you. So this was the use of in, on, at for the place and for the time. I hope this preposition is clear to you all. So let's wind up our today's class. If you like my today's session or the rest of the sessions, please share it with your near and dear ones, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel so that I can be motivated to make more such learning videos for you all. Okay then, meet you in my next class, in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.